In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can share your Windows 11 laptop screen over to your LG Smart TV. Now, this is very quick and straightforward. The first thing you need to do is just head over to your laptop and you're going to come down to this Wi-Fi symbol at the bottom here. Now, in order for this screen share feature to work, you need to first make sure that both your television and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Additionally, if you are connected to a VPN on your laptop, then you'll need to go ahead and disconnect from the VPN now. So as you can see here on my laptop, I'm located to this VM17844 network. So I just need to ensure that my television is also connected to this same Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, we need to head over to this edit button in the bottom down here, and then come over to add. From these list of options, you need to select cast. And that's going to go ahead and add television casting to this list here. Click on done at the bottom, and then all you need to do is select the cast feature. Now make sure your television is turned on, and as long as you have a smart television and it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then this is going to go ahead and bring up your LG television. As you can see here, this is my LG TV, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that and give that a couple of seconds to connect. Now as you can see, that's mirroring my screen on my LG TV. So we have a couple of options from here. We can either just duplicate the screen. Now this is the standard default setting, and this is basically just going to copy everything you do on your laptop onto your TV. Alternatively, you can use this extend option. What this is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to drag applications from your laptop over to this second TV screen like so, which is quite handy. And then if we come back over to the cast feature, the last thing we have is second screen only. And what that's going to do is it's going to get rid of your laptop screen and it's going to make everything exclusively on the television like so. Now I'm just going to change this back to duplicate for a second. And the very last feature we have is this allow mouse, keyboard and other input from this device. So what will happen if we check this box, then all it means is if we come over to our TV remote, we can now control our laptop via our TV remote, which can come in quite handy. As you can see, I can now move along my laptop with my remote and I can select anything that I want just by pressing the OK button. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you cast from your Windows 11 laptop over to your LG TV. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.